In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the filter on an Aroeve air purifier. This is a model MK-01, and you know that you're going to have to change the filter when you turn it on, and this light right here, this red light pops up. That happens after, I believe, 2,000 hours of use, and in general, you should be changing it every 3 to 6 months according to the manufacturer. So that light is going to stay on until I change the filter and reset the purifier. First thing I'm going to do is unplug the unit, and then to change the filter, I go like this underneath, and I'm just going to turn this counterclockwise, and that's going to pop out. And then you take your filter out. Ooh, you got yourself a nice used dirty filter. So I'm going to put that over here carefully, and then I'm going to grab a new filter. I got a 2-pack of these, so that should last maybe a year. You can match it up with the original. And this is a genuine Aroeve filter. The company obviously does not recommend using aftermarket filters. Now, before I put this in here, I am actually going to vacuum out some of this dust that's caught in here. Now to put the new filter in, really simple. Just pop it right in. Make sure it's sitting in there. Now you put the cover back on, line up these little notches right here, or tabs with the notches, like this, and then turn it clockwise to lock it in place. And you're good. But when you plug it back in and turn it on, the red light is still going to be on. So we have to reset that. So right here, we're just going to hold our finger on this button for 2 seconds. And then the red light is going to blink. It's going to go to blue, and you should be good for another 2,000 hours or however long it takes for that to light up and get dirty like this. So if you had one of these and needed to change the filter, hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.